Oh god, I feel so bad. Oh, I'm actually going to fucking jail.
On July 13th, 2025, police responded to a report of retail theft at a Target store in Florida.
Well, hello. 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 Hi.
Hello, how are you?
Tired.
Tired?
Since 2 in the morning.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Alright, so these are the items that she concealed into her purse. We watched her select everything and put everything into that purse. This is her ID.
No, these are my bag. Her purse is out there.
Yeah. So they've been really cooperative. I thought that she was a minor at first, hence why the family's in here. Otherwise, they would have stayed out. But yeah, they've been really, really cooperative.
She's 18.
Yep, just turned 18. Yep. I'll let you talk to her. My printer's broken, so I've got to write the affidavit. I'm sorry.
South Carolina.
Yeah.
Trying to find the daggone. Lady Lake 324 Lake 65 South Carolina deal. Okay. Your family.
Unfortunately.
She ever been in trouble before?
No, she almost got kicked out of our house by her stepdad for getting a speeding ticket. Like,
Okay.
she has.
Do y'all live here in Florida now?
No,
or?
we're visiting my parents. We're supposed to leave tonight. I'm here meeting my mom for like an early dinner.
Alright. So she's 18. This is family. They live in South Carolina, leaving tonight to go back to South Carolina. She just turned 18. Mom, correct?
Yes.
Alright. Read what we call Miranda warnings. Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Having those rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what happened?
I was just being really dumb. I'm so sorry.
Okay.
Yeah, everything she asked for, put it in the buggy. Like, we were just trying to get out of my parents' house for a little bit because it's 75 degrees. And they're like, it's freezing in here. Let's go to the store. Get what you want.
Okay. So you concealed them in your purse there?
Yes, ma'am. You can look at my purse.
I'm going to. I'm going to search you too, so.
I have nothing else. I gave him everything.
Alright. Yeah, let's do it. Do you have anything on your person I need to know about?
No, ma'am. I gave him everything back.
That's fine. I meant more along the lines of any weapons.
Oh, no, ma'am. No.
Okay. Alright, I'll just have you stand right here for me. I'm just going to go through you. Let me give phone to mom for now, okay?
Okay.
Your bronze.
Yes, ma'am. It's just strapless.
You're fine. I'm just gonna have you face this one. Alright, so you do have to turn around and put
Am I getting arrested?
I have to detain you at the moment, okay? You have tiny wrists. I do like 324, like I have female detained. Alright. I'm gonna have a seat here for me.
Am I getting this?
So here's the thing. You're not a resident of Florida. So I can't issue her a notice to appear because you live out of state. So she has to go to jail for it.
Can I drive here? I can drive down to go to court.
Unfortunately, no. There's some
Anytime
requirements
you
that
don't
be met.
live in Florida, you have to go to jail for the offense because our notice to appear is for, like if you were a resident here, it'd be different. Then if you don't have any criminal history, we
You
could
go from
just,
here to Jacksonville, I couldn't give you one of those court dates.
yeah, you have to live.
Can we use like my
So-
grandma's address or anything? I'll drive down.
If she has no priors, it's gonna just be a misdemeanor offense. I think it's a $500 bond. If you use a bonds bailsman, you just pay, I think the minimum's $100, so it'd be $100. So you could go literally right up there, she can post her bond and she can get right back out. But she is gonna have a court date, she's gonna have to come back for court, the whole deal. So, you know, if she was still a juvenile, it would have been honestly the same scenario because you don't
How long
live
does she
here,
stay in
so-
if I don't come bail her out?
Until she
Until
bonds
she bonds
out.
out or time served, 30
Yeah.
days, 45 days.
So,
I can't, we leave at 5:30 tonight, I can't just limit this to your brothers and the rest of the family. Because you did something so freaking stupid.
I mean, if she has family here and they want to bond her
Oh,
out, pick
good,
her
well,
up,
they're
but
gonna disown her after that. They're like heavy church people.
Alright.
They're not even gonna see.
you're under 21 in the state of Florida, you also cannot vape.
That's not
So-
mine. That's my mom's.
Okay, it's in your possession, so I'm just telling you
Yes, ma'am, I
that
know,
you
but-
can't have that in the state of Florida until you're 21.
Yes, ma'am, I
Okay,
know.
so it'll go to your mom, but
Yes, ma'am, I know.
you can be issued citation for that, and that's a whole nother. I'm not going to, but just so you're aware, okay?
You have to go to jail. It is a whole process. I work in trauma. I watch these guys take people into me. It takes a long time. You have to.
I would say, and I'm not just trying to be rude about it. It's just the simple fact you're not a resident here, so I have to take you. It's
We couldn't like use my grandma's address or anything to like say.
you're not a resident. You're a resident of South Carolina, hon. Unfortunately.
So now I need to call grandma to be like, okay, well, we're not gonna reach you because your grandmother's in jail. For what? For a sunblock that you just put in a buggy?
Do you want purse to go to your mom?
Yes, please.
Put your glasses back in here so they don't get lost and messed up.
But you can't.
She can't have that. And I'll make sure that goes to you.
Can you please go on my phone and text her?
I have other things for Dr. Sally.
Go ahead. 26. She's gonna be 10-15.
How long is her booking? And
Our jail's
It's-
pretty quick.
Yeah,
just
it's
depends
drive
on how
time
many people are
there,
there.
and yeah, me typing up the
It's
paperwork
the end
real
of
quick.
the end of the shift, so
Could she like follow us there?
I mean she can. She
You
just
can't.
sit
She's
in
still
the
gonna have to
parking lot.
wait until
It's probably gonna be a couple hour process.
I'd say probably about 2 hours because it's gonna take 30 minutes to get there, and then paperwork and then whatever.
Take your picture, your fingerprints.
That's not ours.
It's not yours. Okay.
No, that's ours. Oh, well, yeah.
Let it be a lesson to learn from. We're gonna go all the way down to that next car. Okay?
have to do?
Basically, I'm gonna take you to the jail. It's in a totally different town from here. It's about 30 minutes away. I'll work on the paperwork. They'll take your picture, fingerprints. Once you're booked in, you'll have the bond set. Mom or someone, if they want to bail you out, can come bail you out. If they choose not to do that, then you're going to have to sit there until...
Is this gonna be like on my record forever?
Will you stand by real
Do
quick
you
so I
know
fix my
if,
seatbelt?
because I'm going to school to get an elementary school teacher, it'll like affect my
Probably
career.
not.
It won't affect my career.
I mean, they'll probably ask you about it.
Apparently my seatbelt's
What's the difference between the two?
Felony, you can't own guns, you can't vote, you can't do a lot of things.
What is going on with this?
User
Is
error.
it because it wasn't a certain amount or something?
It's because you're not a resident in the state of Florida.
That's the only reason why.
Can you see if you can get that?
Whenever I get there, can I call people or do I have to wait?
You gotta wait till they book you in.
Then there's they have like payphones in the cell, so
They're
you can.
free and booking.
But they're free in booking, so you can make a call.
Like
for
whenever
free.
I'm waiting to get booked?
No, you.
I'll get the air on back here for you, okay?
It's okay. And whenever I get there, I'm gonna be changed out of my clothes too, and everything changed.
But
They'll change her into like
a jumpsuit
yeah, and
and
different
orange
shoes.
Crocs.
Oh my fucking god, I feel so bad. Oh, I'm actually going to fucking jail. Oh my god. I've never fucked up so badly in my whole life. Whenever you get your mugshot taken, does it like go in the newspaper and stuff?
It goes online.
Okay. So the only reason I did get arrested is just because I'm not a resident of
Technically, you
Florida.
can be arrested regardless, but we try to work with people when they have no prior criminal history. You know, you don't have any previous thefts. If you have 2 previous thefts, then you have to go to jail and it's felony. But since you had no priors, if you were a resident of here, then I probably just would have gave you a court date and you could have left it. It's still considered an arrest, but it's considered a non-custodial, which means we're not actually taking you to jail. But because you're not a resident, and the reasoning is, a lot of people who live out of state, if I give you that notice to appear with the court date and let you leave, they just go back to their state and they're never going to show up to that. So then they have to write a warrant and then you're never going to come back to Florida to get, you know what I mean? So that's why they make you go right then and there.